how to make TikTok videos. So if you want to make TikTok videos, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile at first, which will be on the bottom right. And if you've not logged into an account, or if you've not created an account, then you need to first create your account. After creating, you can log into your account, and now the first screen on TikTok is the main feed. The main feed on the TikTok app is called the For You page. When you first start using the app, your For You page will mostly be trending videos and content from popular creators. As you start using the app more, your feed will be personalized to your taste based on who you follow, the type of videos you engage with the most, topics you've searched for, and more. So as you can see that I have a video on my screen, and here on the right side you'll have the person's profile. So this is the person's profile, and then the next thing we have is like. If you want to like, then you can tap on that like or the heart shaped icon, or you can also double tap on your screen to like the video. And the next thing we have is comment, and then save and share. If you want to share it with your friends, you can go with the share button. You can make this TikTok video, like for example, if you want to use this audio to make some TikToks, then you can also go with the bottom right, which has some kind of profile in it. Tap on it, which will take you to the original sound. From here you can go with use sound, which is on the bottom, and you will be able to use this sound. Or you can go back, go with the search, which will be in the top right, and from the search you can search for some TikTok popular videos, like for example trending songs or something like that. Once you've searched, you can go with the same interface and then use that sound. Or if you want to go with your original sound, then you can go back to your home screen. Now here on the bottom you will have the plus icon. Tap on the plus, and here you will have photo, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 10 minutes. So I'll just simply select 15 seconds. And now you can add something from your camera. You can go with the bottom right, which has that gallery option, and from here you can add some images or some videos which are present in your gallery. Or you can also go and record something right now. You will have some filters on the left. You can select any filters that you would like to add to your face. After adding your filters or your effects, you can start the recording. You can tap on that filter or the circle which is in the middle of your screen, on the bottom middle, and it will start recording. Once you've recorded, you can just go with more or continue, which will be on the bottom. You will have some arrows, and then you can go and proceed, and you will be able to post it. Or if you want to add some another sound, then you can go with add sound, which is on the top of your screen. Tap on add sound, and here you will have a lot of sounds. You can select any sound that you are comfortable with. I'll go with the first one. Go with the tick right side, and the sound has been added. Now I'll just go and record something. Now once you've recorded, you can go with the tick which is on the right side. Now here on the right side you will have some edit options. You can go and edit this video, or you can also replace the audio or change the sound of this. You will have some edits. You can add some text, you can add some effects, some stickers to it, some filters, the sound sync. Now once you've done with the editing part, you can go with next, which is again on the bottom right. And here you can add some description to it and go with the privacy of the post. And here you can go with only you or friends or everyone, and then go with post, which is on the bottom right, and your video will be posted. In this way you'll be able to make TikTok videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.